Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to learn how to create a personal daily routine tracker in Airtable, the full 2025 guide. This is a fantastic tool that's going to help you stay organized and on top of your daily tasks. Now let's dive right into it. First, sign into your Airtable account. If you don't have one, it's easy to create. The reason we do this is because Airtable is a unique platform that allows you to organize information in a visually appealing and user-friendly way. Next up, click on the plus new base button and select Start from Scratch. Name the base Daily Routine Tracker. This is the foundation of your tracker. It's like a blank canvas waiting for your input. After this, you'll create a new table by hitting the plus Add a Table button. Name this table Tasks. This is where you'll list all your daily tasks. Think of this as your to-do list, a place where you can visualize everything you have to do in one place. Now that we've done that, it's time to add fields to your table. Click Add Field and create the following fields: task name, start time, end time, and status. These fields will help you capture the details of each task in your daily routine. This helps us because it enables quick reference to what needs to be done, when, and allow you to track your progress. The next step is to fill in your tasks. Click on plus Add Record and start entering your daily tasks. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Each record you add is a new task in your daily routine. Finally, you'll want to use Airtable's Group By feature to group your tasks by status. This will allow you to easily see what tasks are complete, in progress, or still need to be started. It's a handy way to keep your daily routine organized and your progress visible. And there you have it. You've just created your personal daily routine tracker in Airtable. With this tool, you can effectively organize and monitor your daily tasks, ensuring nothing slips through the cracks. It's all about staying on top of your routine and being proactive. Thank you for joining me today. Remember, the key to success is staying organized, and the first step towards that is creating your daily routine tracker. Until next time, stay organized and stay focused.